Hello, everyone. Welcome to AIS's CSULB student chapter, FedEx Latin America Customer Satisfaction Analytics Challenge. My name is Eduardo Anaya.
My name is Hunter Vazirian.
And my name is Jason Marcos.
And my name is Alexander Resendiz.
We're gonna talk about and examine the customer satisfaction reports from both the United States and Latin America and see how between FedEx and the residents of Latin America analyze how to improve it and why it's important for the residents and for FedEx to come up with solutions to improve upon their efforts in improving the satisfaction of their customers.
So FedEx's problem is trying to maintain very high levels of both customer satisfaction and efficient delivery times. If FedEx is unable to do this, this is going to result in client loss, which obviously will have a negative impact on the overall revenue of the company. So as a result, we're going to take a look at customer satisfaction data all across the United States and Latin America. And the reason for this is because it's crucial for FedEx to identify the root causes of dissatisfaction.
Our data set and our insights are derived from three different data sets. The first one is the FedEx data set that was given to us that goes over data from the United States and Latin America, going over information such as daily revenue, daily volume shipped, and the different phases and comments. A mix of Excel and Python were used to clean data, removing repeated columns and filling in null values. The second data set was actually from the Mexican government, which shows how much foreign direct investment has been put in from neighboring countries into Mexico. The second data set was from the United States, from the Labor of Transportation and Statistics, to show how much foreign direct investment went to each individual subdivision of Mexico.
The report comprises of clear data visualizations highlighting what affects consumer satisfaction in business-to-business interactions between Latin American customers and FedEx delivery services. Our team also looked at the average daily volume of shipments by state and the average daily net revenue in Mexico's major cities. The analysis' conclusion emphasizes the necessity of optimizing the supply chain to improve delivery times and to improve customer satisfaction metrics.
For analysis and visualization, the first one is this box plot, which groups the average daily net revenue from specified states within the 95th percentile, which was done to remove outliers in specific cities, giving only the ones with the highest interactions. The box plot shows the max, min, and interquartile range based off of the phase. So a closed win shows that there are no interruptions or problems within the interactions between FedEx and its other business-to-business partners. From this insight, we were able to see high-performing states, which were able to break down into comments and sort by average daily net revenue to see how well the management styles played within each one. We were able to see that cities that are away from major FedEx groupings have higher performance levels than those that are much closer dense FedEx locations, which will be supported in later visualization.
Furthermore, our next visualization is the average daily volume per state, and it is the volume of packages per state. Through this visual, it is exemplified that the top three states that have packages are Aguascalientes, Jalisco, and Nuevo León. These states contain the highest amount of shipments in Latin America. However, it's also key to note that the state of Texas in the United States is introduced here. So it's interesting to see how the United States directly invests in economically important states in Mexico.
So for the next visualization that we're going to take a look at, we're going to examine foreign direct investment. This data is coming from the Mexican government. So as you can see in these visualizations, this is a breakdown of each state and how much money the US government is investing into Mexico. So you can see some hotspots here, notably Mexico City, Nuevo León, Chihuahua. During the COVID-19 pandemic, which was starting in 2020, you could actually see some money being pulled out of Mexico. So notably, Zacatecas is losing 654 million, as well as Quintana Roo is losing negative 66 million. Here, more recently in 2021, you're seeing a lot more investment going into Nuevo León, which is one of the states that was highlighted in the last visualization. So looking at a closer glance at the three main by daily average revenue, we have Aguascalientes, Jalisco, and Nuevo León. So all three of these states are either receiving consistent or growing amounts of foreign direct investment. So Aguascalientes is basically keeping a sustained level of investment throughout 2018 to 2021. Similarly in Jalisco, although it is slightly increasing, and very notably, Nuevo León is receiving a massive amount of money coming from the United States. It's important to note that Nuevo León in particular is a border state, and it's a border state with Texas, which in and of itself is a rapidly growing economy with a large population and potential business. The next visualization we're taking a look at here is the US share of submitted foreign direct investments to Mexico. And this data is coming from 1999 all the way up until 2021. So it's very obvious, you can see here the amount that United States invests compared to the rest of the world. Notable here is former colonizer Spain, as well as Canada, which is also a part of the new NAFTA, which is called the USMCA, which contains the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Moreover, here in our next visual is the average daily net revenue in the top cities and states in Mexico. The top cities and states are Zapopan, Jalisco, Tlajamulco de Zúñiga, Jalisco, and also Cienega de Flores, Nuevo León. And this matters, or this reveals to us the revenue and imports of packages into these top regions. And this matters because in order to rank a customer satisfaction, we need to understand why certain areas are receiving more packages than others. And furthermore, to rank someone's satisfaction, we need to understand why it's happening. Why are some areas getting more money? There could be underlying and mitigating factors that we're unaware of that are causing low levels and poor satisfaction to occur. And systemic issues that we are unaware of as well are causing these issues to occur.
And that brings us to our conclusion, where our analysis generated data visualizations highlighting the factors contributing to customer satisfaction in B2B transactions between Latin American residents and FedEx. Our research reveals, as previously mentioned by my colleagues, that the top states for package volume are Aguascalientes, Jalisco, Nuevo León, and Texas. With FDI facilitated by the USMCA agreement, furthermore, we discovered that timely delivery is crucial, with average delivery times being 2 to 3 business days, but certain outliers have much longer delivery times. To enhance customer satisfaction, we recommend that FedEx uses anomaly detection techniques to identify patterns in data that deviate from the norm and optimize their supply chain. Machine learning algorithms can be employed to detect deviations in real time and minimize delays. We believe that our clear visualizations and data-driven insights can aid FedEx in making informed decisions and achieving commercial success in the region.
Thank you.